Welcome back to this course. This is 2.2, where we're talking about software component of car tracking system. Let's go straight into the class. Software components are the programs and applications that process the data collected by the hardware. All right. So now, the hardware actually send data to a software. The hardware is in your car. The software is running on your phone or on a system, or it can be cloud-based or web-based. All right. So the tracking platform, which can be web or mobile, for monitoring vehicles. Then data processing system, which analyzes and stores tracking data. So there's a system, all right, which is cloud-based. Then user interface, which display the real-time, and location and alert and reports, right? So you have to understand this part that every tracker has, the hardware, which will be installed on the car, then the software, which is running on your phone or on your system, then the server or data processing, that's cloud based. So most of the time, those days, tracker usually operate on text message. You send a text, then reply with the text message with the location of the vehicles. You can click the link, now take it to Google Map. But nowadays, every tracker manufacturer has their own platform, their own softwares. Then most manufacturers, they made their trackers to be able to interoperate with other softwares, other platforms, so they can even be able to sell more and sell more brand, to more brands. So they make their hardware open source, so it can integrate with every other platform in the system in the market. Okay, so this is basically how it works. This is a tracker. It communicates via GSM or via satellite, which is the hardware. Then you talk to a server, which can be a cloud-based server, right? Then either from the server to the monitoring center or straight to your mobile app on your phone. All right. So mobile app can just be the one controlling the monitoring center, or the monitor center is the web software or a cloud-based web application that is running on your PC. You can from there to do complete fleet management. You can check a device and their data and information about the fuel usage, the way the person was braking, the audio conversation in the car, you know, and the speed at which the driver is running. You can check it with this software on your system. So you have to know this part. That software, you have to understand the software part. We'll get to the practical side where we're going to be running the mobile app on a system. We'll run you the mobile app on the laptop and the on your phone, and we'll show you step by step when you get to the practical side. But you have to understand all this part first. All right, it's very important so you can have a solid foundation in the car tracking, industry. So this is the brief. Then also you can even carve a niche for yourself for container tracking. These devices can also work as a container tracking and vehicle tracking also, because it's battery powered and they are real-time tracking and timing system. Look at the features. They are very intelligent. They have a good power. You can import all these things from AliExpress and buy a particular number and start selling for yourself. You can carve a niche and start just focusing on container. There's a lot of money in the maritime sector if you can tap in or use your connect to just enter that system and start making money for yourself. All right. So this is the end of this software section. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.